YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. Not sure if it's Amazon, I think it is. Either or, thank you guys for sending me this. And you guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody's staying safe. We got Halloween weekend, so definitely be careful out there if you're going out tonight. I'm staying in. So definitely take it easy this weekend. Here we go, guys. And now we're in the holiday season. Black Friday deals are coming up. Cyber Mondays are going still. And definitely see what they have to offer is right here. Okay, this is Amazon. So like I said, I will be leaving the affiliate link down below. And it's kind of not too bad out here in Michigan with the weather. This comes from Heziah. I think that's the one. These are their heated socks for temperature settings or for temperature settings. Easy to use, washable, lithium battery. Here we go. So hopefully it's not going to be a bad winter here. The last few years it's been rough. New heat generation. So there's be a lot of good things a lot of people could use. Rechargeable up to 10 hours, so that's almost full day. And if you have your battery packs, you know, the power banks, you can always charge that on the go too. Especially if you're working an all-nighter. And it sounds like a good deal. Alright, here we go. Drop it down. Got a bag here. Got a box here with lithium battery. Got a satchel bag for your gym or whatever on the road. Climbing the mountains. You never know. This would be a nice little stocking stuffer. Just because gift. Gift to yourself for your feet. Stay warm. Do not use if it wet. Do not insert needles into the heated socks. Okay. Do not pull, twist, make sharp bends into cables. Alright. Got that covered. I think the rest is in German. I do believe. Yeah. Pretty cool. Great idea, though. Here's a little baggie. Like I said, take this on the road with you. Especially truck drivers. Keep their feet warm. Take a look at the lithium power bank. Or whatever you guys call it these days. I'm not sure. So many different names. Whoa, there's two of them. Oh, one pair. Left pair, right pair. Left foot, right foot. You know how that goes. Very nice. I like these. They're lightweight too. Not heavy. Power. Temp. Alright, alright. We got something going here. Got another one. Same thing. So like I said, left foot, right foot. You know the deal. And I think it'll look good with the shoes. Because I wear a size 14, so it should be good. I think these are one size fits all type deal. And it's a nice orangey color for the Halloween season, but it's, you know, normal design. really nice. Oops. Got the mesh right there. And these are nice. I'll put them on. So we connect the dots. So this goes to here. Got that situated. This goes to here. And there's this hole right there. Make sure. Connect the dot. Just gotta make sure left and right. I don't think it matters though. And it shows on and off input, DC input. So right here in the sock, just be careful, don't bend it too much as possible. Okay, we got her plugged in there. Same with the other one. We are both plugged in. Now, do they light up somewhere? As you push the button, power is on. Both batteries are on. You can see the blue lights. There's gotta be some valve jump right here. I think I'm losing my voice. Let me get this situated and then I'll try them on. I can get it through the hole. Get in your hole. There we go. And that does nothing. Just a little tiny. Where do I put the battery pack? I should read the directions a little bit better. Hold on. Okay, you hold it for a few seconds. And the power button, you can see now the red. I'll show you the other one. You can adjust it. So you don't want it really toasty. You would go maybe 1 or 2. And then boom, I like it hot. Like I said, it's very easy to do. All you gotta do is have some fun. And then turn on. Hold. There we go. That's pretty cool. So it's all in one. Just not sure how I'm gonna. Oh no, it fits. All right. Longer than an expected video, so sorry about that. But, you know, this is kind of cool. Let's seal it back up.
Motion detected at the front door.
Lordy. Hold on. And you don't need this with you unless you're going to charge it. You just take it apart. And bada boom. Just tuck it back in. I'm already feeling the warmth. I think these are good ones, guys. They say wash by hand, but read the directions carefully before you decide. But just because of the wires and stuff, you don't want to get that damaged. Get electrocuted. Not fun. Come on. Do. Here we go. Now you can never tell. I mean, ooh, right by the. Oh wow, these are nice. I think it's right by the coil kind of looking type. The sparkle. That's the areas. So left foot, right foot. Okay. Oh wow, I'm really excited. Heck, you thought, oh, I wouldn't sleep with these on, but you know, maybe during a movie time. Oh, these are nice. Oh, oh. I can definitely walk around the house. Oh my God. These feel amazing. Like I said, I'm size 14 and these fit really comfy. So, I mean, this you just have to cover. So you can't really tell that there's a battery pack right there. And right there. Tucking the wires a little bit. Fits in my shoe. Wow. Ooh. I don't want to take them off. Man, this is definitely worth it. Check them out, guys. Be safe. Have a good weekend. And see you soon.